Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Cydia. So, I don't know if it's too late because I know everybody and their mother already put out the Fenty Beauty Concealer review and powder, and I'm just getting it. I literally went to Sephora today and I only got Nutmeg powder, the concealer. I got $3.90 in the concealer. I wanted to buy more concealer, but my pocket never that, never that good. So, because it doesn't matter how many shades I get, as long as I get one, it's the same shade. Don't right? Alright. I spent $89 on three things because I bought truffle. I never got one when it just launched, and then I got powder, and this is in Nutmeg. I got this as an all-over face powder because I don't really have that much face powder. I'm gonna get it, but not know. You know what I mean? Like, let me just test the powder and see how it, set and whatnot. Or if I'm gonna use this to set my concealer, and then I'm gonna go over with my Sacha Buttercup because I didn't have the money. I seriously never want to spend so much money. Like, I literally never even want to spend that much money. Anyway, and then I got the concealer. So I'm gonna do my base on camera, and then I'm gonna do an eye makeup for Valentine's. Right. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to moisturize. I heard good stuff about drunk elephants. Oh, let me see how this feels. Oh, I love this. It feels like water-based, and I love water-based product. I love how it feels on the skin. Very moisturizing. I'm gonna go in with my eye cream, and this is from Estee Lauder. Girl, getting old, so I need to start using my eye cream. I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna do my brows off camera. Okay, so my brows are done. So now I'm gonna prime my skin, and I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. This is done. I love this stuff. Like, look, it's pretty much finished, but I probably can get a little use from it. So when I was in Jamaica in December, all I wore was my Fenty foundation. Sometimes I mix it with my Lancome foundation. I've been loving that mixture recently. I think I need to color correct, so I've been using my Lancome foundation to color correct because it's a little bit dark over my spot. I probably my exact shade, I don't know. It's a little bit darker, a little teeny bit. Going in with the foundation, and this is in 420. So I shade that well, and I'm gonna just spray that on my skin. Well, pump that on my skin. We have to go fast with this foundation because it dries really fast. Try and blend that over your hair. Bring that on my neck. And I'm using this sponges from Sonia Cashew. I got this from Target for like $7. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go off camera. My foundation routine, I have to do my eyes before I do my concealer. I know I look weird, but that's okay because I'm filming two different videos. This is the reason why I look so crazy. So now we're gonna try out the star of the show. Well, we have two stars of the show, to be honest. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. What's the claim for this? Instant Photo Soft Coverage for all long wear, lightest hair, crease proof. That's the claim. Okay, so I am going to use the color in 390. I watched quite a few videos on this, so I kind of already know a little thing about it, but I want to try it myself. So let's go. I'm going to use a little bit. Oh, this is bright. This is really yellow. I've never used a concealer this golden. I asked girl, I was like, what do you think about this shade for my skin? And she's like, it's nice. You can use either a swatch 410 and 390 on my skin. And you know, Sephora always play us. Like the lighting in Sephora always play us. So I don't know, but we'll see how this looks. It's really golden. It's gonna give me a breath. I think I got the wrong shade, guys. I'm not used to this. Let's go in with truffle. So I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. I'm really nervous about this. We're gonna use truffle. I'm gonna warm up truffle on the back of my hand for a minute, and then I'm gonna. She was telling me to get espresso for my contour, espresso or truffle, but no, I'm looking at truffle. Truffle kind of look a little bit light. Probably should have gotten espresso. Oh, well, not really. It's not light. It's good. I like this. I felt like if I bought espresso, it would ease so easily for it to look muddy on my skin. So I like truffle. Yeah, truffle is good. Oh, this blends out so easily. So easily. I've never used a brush to blend out my concealer before. Okay, why this looks so yellow? It looks really golden on camera, but I promise it doesn't look like that in person. I'm more neutral. I'm not golden, but I normally like to use a little bit of golden undertone under my under eyes, but this, I don't know what's going on with this one. No, I'm gonna go with my sponge. I feel like I need to add a little bit more. I don't know what to think. I'm gonna go in with the powder, and this is the Fenty Beauty powder in Nutmeg, and I'm gonna use this to set my face and also under my eyes. Then I'm gonna use that all over my face. They said this powder is translucent, but it's not translucent. There's color, because if you look underneath my eyes, it literally took that yellow, like that brightness, a little away a little bit. So this powder, low key, it still has some color. I don't mind it. I'm gonna go with some of my Sasha Buttercup powder under my eyes to bring back that little brightness. I'm loving this powder though. I love this. Like, look at my skin. My skin looks so good. Wow. My skin looks so good. I'm gonna pat that off my skin. Well, I usually just use my damp sponge and just dab that off my skin. Then I'm going back in with the brush that I use with my all over powder and kind of sweep that. Oh, look at my skin. Fenty. Ooh, guys, look at that. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I feel you. I see. This is a finished product on my skin, and I'm telling you, my skin looks so good. Like, it looks so. I wish, like, I'm gonna do another video where it's not so like in your face, because this look is like really strong. I'm gonna do another simple look, and I'm gonna use the same product so you guys can focus on my skin only, because I feel like right now you guys are just my eyes and my lips are just making everything out there. But because I was recording another video, that's the reason why, you know, it looks like this. But I'm sorry. But my skin though, damn, Fenty. Like, I feel like I'm not wearing anything on my face, honestly. Like, I'm wearing, it looks heavy, but I'm not wearing, I don't feel that way. Like, my concealer, it haven't creased. It haven't creased. Damn. This is pretty. Yeah, this is really, really pretty. Hi, Fenty. How you doing? Jeez, I love this. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm gonna give you guys more video. Pretty sure you don't want to miss that. And yeah, so take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.